Welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle with Glam Morphe Has No Age. Today I'm going over my Live Glam subscription. I pay $19.95 a month for it. They send you 4 brushes, and this month I even got a bonus. I got 2 brushes. So let's go over it. I got the M505, which is a tapered blending brush. And you can never have too many of these. These always come in handy. So I got that. I got the M573. I got the M573. That is a pointed deluxe blender brush. It does have a point. With these brushes, you have to use a brush guard. You can pick them up by Amazon for 20 bucks for 200 or 100 of them. But you must use a brush guard when you wash these, or else they won't keep their shape. Next one is the Morphe M504. It's a large pointed blender. Get it out of its wrapping. It looks like this. That's a good one to have as well. And then the next one after the last one is the Morphe M330. It's a blending crease brush. And it looks like this. The only thing that I don't like about the Live Glam brushes is that it just puts a number on them. It doesn't put the name of the brush, what it does, so... But you can use these brushes for however way you want to use them. I'm just saying with Sigma, they put the name of the brush and what it does on it, so you know what to use it for. But other than that, it's probably just to keep the cost down. And then I got 2 extra brushes this month. I got the Deluxe Highlight Fan Brush. You can always use that. Looks like that. And this is the E51 Deluxe Angle Powder Contour. And it looks like this. It has like a little bevel at the top. Very soft, by the way. And that's it. That's it for my brushes for this month's Live Glam bag. If you're interested in things like this, I'll leave a link down below so that you can sign up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you like things like this for this channel. I'm going to try to review some new makeup, and then a lot of it's going to be get readies with me. I have 2 full draws of palettes that I haven't even tried yet. So I'm mainly going to be going into that because I'm going to be going into like a low buy coming up. Well, thank you. Enjoy your day.